I'm VIP, so they can see me. I'd be like, damn, now they're trying to hit on